Hello everyone, you're watching Pizazz.
Hello everyone, it's me, Pizazz again. Yeah, and today we're going to learn about candy machines. Wow, doesn't this look awesome? Yeah, this is full of jelly belly jelly beans. So delicious. And as you can see inside, there's so many different colors. Yeah, I would like to try them all. They're so delicious. Let's take a look at some of the colors we got. I think I can see a blue, and there's a yellow, and there's a orange, and a pink, and green, and red, and so many different colors. Yeah, and I bet they're so tasty. Well, let's see how the machine works. So as you can see right here, there's a hole, and we call this a slot. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put the coin in the slot. We're gonna turn this knob around, and the jelly bellies will come out the bottom. Let's check it out and see how it works. So I got my coin right here, and I'm gonna put it right in the hole. So let's put it in the hole. We're gonna give it a turn. We gotta turn it good. Do you hear that? I think the jelly beans are coming out. And there they are at the bottom. We gotta lift the bottom. I got 3 jelly beans. And let's see what they are. Gotta get them out. Whoa. Okay, there we go. Which ones did I get? Whoa, I got 2 pink ones. I got a dark pink one and a light pink one. And a red one. Oh, they're gonna be so delicious. Oh, I wish I could give them to you so you could try too, but you're at home, you'll have to get your own. Well, let's try that again and see if we can get some other colors. So I got another coin. We're gonna put it in the hole, and let's twist it again. Let's see if we get some different colors this time. All right, we got 3 more. What color is this time? Oh, cool. This time I see a red one. Oh, there's a red one, a white one, and a yellow one. Yeah, these are going to be so delicious. So everyone, that's how a Jelly Belly machine works. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you get to try some jelly beans at home yourself too. Bye-bye everyone. Have a nice time.
That's it for Pizazz today. Don't forget to hit subscribe and check out the next video. Bye bye. See you later.